I'll give you an example of why I'm so pissed off. See, all my haters in India are all the rich clubs. All the rich clubs and the ones who are professional and organized and all their second division and all the small clubs, they love me because I'm come from them. But these guys hate me. Why? Because see, Barcelona has the best academy in the world, La Masia, which is known as producing Messi and all those guys. So they, or Ajax or Real Madrid. So the best academy in the world, that means they have the best coaches, they have the most money, they have the best infrastructure, sports science, this, that. So who are the best clubs in India? So that means that is why they produce the best players. Obviously, because everything is best, the best. Who are the best players in India? The best clubs in India, the ones who have the maximum money are the Indian Super League clubs. Okay? They have the best coaches, best infrastructure, best whatever, man. Other than Bengaluru FC. Why Bengaluru FC? Because Bengaluru FC were an I-League club. And from I-League, they went there. The system, they have an entire city. So my hat's off to Bengaluru because he's not just doing it for football, Parth and his entire family, they're doing it for the entire thing because Bellary, they've got an entire city which is devoted to sports. So that is massive, this is brilliant. So before the ISL started, they were already doing it. And other than Bengaluru FC, now look at the stat. How many players in the ISL has been going on for the last 11 years? How many players for India has ISL clubs produced which have come from their academy? How many?
I wouldn't know. Tell me. No way. In 11 years, the club has not produced
Except
one
BFC.
national team player.
Yes. Not even one. In fact, there were clubs who had great academies who were in the I-League, but they shut down their academies, and that is why Bengal football is dead. East Bengal and Mohun Bagan. They used to have great academies. For 100 years, they had academies. And the moment ISL stopped, they stopped. Why? Because fund utne hai, so the owner, whoever the billionaire owners are, they think, oh, is pe kyun kharch kar rahe hain? What is the ROI here? Nothing? Oh, ye karna. Because I want a title this year. So how many players? Zero. Now let's come to another stat. How many players have been produced by me? We have produced 250 internationals in the last 10 years for all age groups, which is more than the total of every other club and academy in India put together on one side. Saron ko kattha kar lo ek side pe. We have still produced more. And I'm saying it openly and I keep saying it. So somebody should come and say it out me. And am I a genius? No. Am I wrong? Why? It's the simplest thing to do. You make them play morning, night at the young age. They will become footballers. Football is the easiest game in the world to teach because you don't need money. African countries are doing it. Na? They don't have any money. Genes, we've proven our genes. So तुम genes की क्या बात करते हो? जब हम भूखे नंगे थे ना, that means 50s, 60s, 70s. The only medals we used to get was in boxing or in wrestling or in weightlifting. और कोई medal नहीं आते थे हमारे. तुम कौन से genes की बात कर रहे हो? नहीं, हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है. अब तो पैसे भी आ गए हैं. Population काफी नहीं खेलती. So Cape Verde और Curaçao और आइसलैंड एक की पॉपुलेशन है 1 लाख.
Curaçao is 150,000 people, small island.
So if we, bro,
and they're playing in World Cup
bro,
this year.
दिवाली के मेले पे ज्यादा होते हैं हमारे. I'm not, so imagine. So it's got nothing to do with the amount of people playing. These are all excuses. This is all just trying to show people why they are so shit. Now they've got this new great idea. Let's get OCIs and PIOs. So basically you've said, वही बात कि वो बंदा एक बंदा यहाँ से बाहर जाके ऐसी कंट्री में चले जाए, न्यूजीलैंड जहाँ पे क्रिकेट, जहाँ पे फुटबॉल है ही नहीं, इट्स लाइक द 4th or 5th गेम इन अ स्मॉल कंट्री, वो वहां से जाके वो भी साला वर्ल्ड कप पहुंच जाता है इंडियन, ठीक है ना, वो तुम उनको उसको लाने के लिए तैयार हो, बट you got millions, that means you've given up. What is your point then? What is the point of having a federation if you're still going to go and take other federations produce players and they're not produced by you. They may be your coon, but they're not produced by you. So what are you going and telling the Indians who are here? That we've given up? That you are not good enough? We're telling our own Indians. So is that a long-term solution? कि बाहर से ले आओ? Come on, man. If they want to play for India, tell them to give up their passports. This thing about having dual passports and allowing them permission is not right. You better bleed blue. When you're playing for your national team, तुम्हारे को मरने, I'm not kidding when I say this, तुम्हारे को मरने के लिए. See, I'm from when the armed forces background is there, na, for me, there is nothing known as second place. Second place in the armed forces, war में second place का मतलब क्या? You're dead. There is nothing known as second place. Second place, last place, same. And you have to just hate it so much. Like, I have a son who's 2.5. The day he beats me in anything, I will be the saddest man in my life, not the proudest. The day I lose to my dad who's 80, I I will be devastated. I don't care. If you're on the field, I'll beat your ass and I'll boil your children and eat them alive. I don't care because that's what it is. You are on the field. You cannot be soft. Indians ka from the very beginning, their attitude has been too soft. Atithi Deva Bhav jo hamara hai. See, as long as you're off the field, I'm saying my kid and my dad, off the field and they are my love, man. On the field, किसी का love नहीं है, तुम आओ तो सही. It is a habit you call. So we Indians, these Goras have come here from these academies. Who are the Indian cricketers who are going abroad and playing for other national teams? The ones who don't even make the districts here. I'm not kidding. The boys who don't make my club side, Minerva's club side, are national team captains of other countries. So who do you think are the footballing coaches who come here or the players who come here? कौन होते हैं
able to make
exactly it. Can't you get it? How are you going to become, oh, we should play with better players, that's why? No, better players. If that was the criteria, then everyone in the Spanish league would be Messi, because Messi's been playing in the Spanish league for 20 years, man. You don't improve at that age. So let's come to that. Now let's come to the foundation. तो मैंने बताया, जैसे आप कह रहे थे कि क्यों नहीं बने, हम क्यों नहीं बने? Because of our system. Talent की problem बिल्कुल नहीं है. It's a system which sucks so bad. In fact, sucks क्या? It is working against you. At every single time, you will have obstacles and hurdles, and that is why people just give up. The number of people who I know personally who have just given up in sports is immense. It's just too many.
Give me top 3 obstacles which system creates.
Merit is not counted in. What else is left? बाकी बातें ही छोड़ दो यार.
They don't care if you're a good player.
Sports is about merit.
But what matters? What matters if not merit? How do I get in?
तेरा बाप कौन है? तेरे पास जेब में कितने पैसे हैं, कितनी ब्राइब दे सकता है, या कितनी सिफारिश लगा सकता है, या कितने काम कर सकता है? And you think, oh, this is still happening. Oh my God.
A local state football club or like a state football team, I will get in the team just because my father.
No, not football team. Football teams will be playing to win. I'm talking about where you will actually become a footballer. वो football team में तो तुम जा गए, तुम footballer बन चुके हो. I'm talking about when you are playing for your nationals, for your states, for your districts. Starting from your district की टीम में जाना है.
Okay.
पैसे खिलाओ, या तुम्हारा बाप कुछ है, तुम्हारी माँ कुछ है, या तुम्हारे चाचा मामा है.
District की टीम में. If you have to get in.
Because district की टीम से सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है, तुम्हारे स्कूल में एडमिशन मिलती है. फिर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के बाद तुम स्टेट में जाते हो, स्टेट के सर्टिफिकेट से तुम्हारे को कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिलती है, और फिर नेशनल खेलते हो, नेशनल से तुम्हें नौकरी मिलती है, और उसके लिए पैसे खर्च करते हैं लोग. दे रादर इंस्टेड ऑफ पेइंग ब्राइब्स देयर, दे रादर पे मनी ब्राइब्स हियर व्हिच विल बी मच लोअर, कि मेरे बेटे को नेशनल खिला दे. एंड यू विल सी व्हेन दिस एपिसोड इज हियर्ड, you will see so many of your comments down there. Oh my God, this is happening, this is happening, this is happening, this is clearly happening, because everyone's been through it.
So then, how much? Okay, tell me the price. If somebody wants to play football in district.
संतोष ट्रॉफी खेलनी है. संतोष ट्रॉफी सीनियर नेशनल. That means आपको ये, अगर आप सर्टिफिकेट दिखाओगे, आपको किसी भी कॉलेज, दिल्ली के कॉलेज में, कहीं के कॉलेज में भी एडमिशन मिल जाएगी स्पोर्ट्स कोटे में. That means the college will take care of your fees and your खाना पीना रहना, because you have that certificate.
And then cut off won't matter because sports quota.
1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs. आराम से you can get into any team. Then in the junior teams, it's from 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, मतलब 14, 16, 18.
So if you pay 20,000-40,000 rupees, you play in a team.
You play in the team.
Regardless of how you play.
So जो बच्चा अच्छा है और वो गरीब है और वो देख रहा है कि क्या फायदा ये, इससे अच्छा जो मम्मी डैडी कर रहे हैं, मैं मेहनत ही कर लेता हूँ, यहाँ पे तो रखा नहीं है. Because even if when I'm good and I'll beat his ass, he's being taken because he's richer than me. And what did I do in the senior football? I was playing in the I-League, the top league of the country. I beat Mohun Bagan and East Bengal in Calcutta in front of 80,000 people with my academy boys. Okay, and we won the I-League, which was the top league of the country. We went to the Asian Champions League, AFC Cup. उसके अगले साल को सेकंड, हमारी पूरी लीग को डिमोट कर दिया इन्होंने. क्योंकि क्या किया था BCCI ने, वो कह रहा था किसी और का बच्चा, ZTV का बच्चा वो बना रहे थे, उसने बोला ये क्या मतलब है, ये तो गेम मेरी है, forget this, I'm gonna make my own. IFF ने क्या किया, किसी और के बच्चे को लाके टॉप की लीग पे बना दिया. Do they own that league? ISL? No. Did they have any control on it? No. But they made them the top league. And there was no merit. That means there's no promotion and relegation. That means even if you're the last team, you don't go down.
You still play.
You still play. And यहाँ पे second division जो मेरे को बना दी है, third division, fourth division, यहाँ पे जीतते हैं तब जाके थर्ड पे आते हैं, यहाँ पे जीतते हैं सेकंड पे आते हैं, नहीं तो यू कीप गोइंग डाउन इफ यू द लास्ट टू. हमारे लिए है, मतलब इफ आई विन द सेकंड डिवीजन आई कांट गो देयर. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एनफ मनी टू पे अ प्राइवेट कंपनी 18 crores a year. इफ आई हैड, एक तो पहले थे नहीं, अगर होते भी ना तो इनको क्यों देता, मैं अपनी एकेडमी पे ना लगाता. बिकॉज आई वुड हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड 180 players, 200 players from there because of that 18 crores. And when you do this and you make merit not a part of sports, you will never do well. In the last 10-12 years, the number of people who've come into the ISL as new players, matlab naye, I can count on my fingers. In the ISL, the ones who are doing well, they're same guys playing. Because there are no academies. I can count the number of residential academies on my hand, the ones who are class, on my hand.
Tell me, you said if you have to play in a national team.
No, national team mein, ek aur
If you have to play national.
No. Nationals. Nationals means I'm playing
team.
for Punjab and
state
the
team.
nationals.
State team. So if you have to be in a state team to play nationals, you have to pay 1.5 lakhs. And then you can get
Yes.
it. Right?
Yes.
Regardless of how shit player you are.
Doesn't matter. You have never played football in your life. I am not kidding, bro.
Like I can pay 2 lakhs and walk in tomorrow and
Yes, in Santosh Trophy I can make you play.